So in this Tangerine Bank tutorial, I am going to be showing you how to open up a money-back credit card here on Tangerine Bank. Once the app's opened up, go to the bottom left, press accounts. Once you're on the accounts page, just scroll down to where it says open an account, or you can scroll down further to where it says explore our products and press credit cards, and I'll just go ahead and do that. Once you're here, the credit cards option will be selected. Now, if you want to go back, there's two different options here for a money-back credit card. So there's the Tangerine Money-Back World MasterCard. So if you want to go ahead and read more about that, you can go ahead and if this looks good to you, press add an account. Or you can go back, scroll down to where it says money-back credit card, read more about it as well. If this looks good to you, go to the bottom, press add accounts, and then press continue. So once you're on this page, you can review the product that you selected. In this case, I selected the money-back credit card. And if you want to proceed with the application and eventually open up the account, go to the bottom, press continue, and then proceed that way with the next steps. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to open up a money-back credit card here on Tangerine Bank. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.